to the snow. It's snowing on the way to Big Trees.
Is it recording?
Yes.
Hey.
Sure?
Tell them where we're going, guys.
We are going
To the snow.
To the snow. We're in the snow. It's snowing.
Frosty the snow. More snow.
Woo! We're gonna go sledding in the snow, and I'm gonna build Frosty the Snowman. We had carrots at home. We could have used that as his nose.
It's okay. We'll use something.
It is snowing. Snowing. Mommy had to miss out because she's at home waiting for the stupid cable guy.
Why couldn't he come later?
Because he's a douchebag.
So pretty. Look at that. Wow.
So pretty.
I love the frost on the peaks.
Snow. Say hi.
Hello. See the snow?
Hey. Say hi.
Pretty.
See the road's getting heavy snow.
Yeah. Maybe when this car slides into the ravine, this video will be the last thing you'll ever see of us.
Love you guys.
Love you all.
Yeah. Be sure to give my stuff to Rachel. I love her the most.
I see. Look, it's all white now.
Dad gets nothing because he's old.
So warm.
Yeah. Ooh.
They're not parking for the state park?
Okay, I'll turn it off for a little bit. Yeah, stick this outside the.
Yeah.
Oh, then it might get snow on the lens.
There you go.
Maybe I'll just. It was on pause. Record. Okay. 'The snow is getting heavier. Our imminent doom is getting closer. If we must eat someone, we should eat Mel because she obviously is well fed.
Oh!
And now the reaction shot.
You're mean.
I know. I know. Yes.
Everyone try to say toy boat multiple times in a row.
Toy boat, toy boat, toy boat, toy boat,
you
toy
show
boat,
off.
toy boat.
Toy boat.
Hard.
I thought, but the thought I thought was not the thought I thought.
I thought a thought, but the thought
The
I thought
snow
was not the
is
thought
getting
I
thicker.
thought. Blue Lake
like-
Springs.
looks
Could
like
we
they're
park
going
somewhere
to-
there?
Well, they're looking for some
But the way back would be probably
Place to,
really heavy snow.
Self.
take a
Selfish
picture too.
Right, we probably wouldn't be able to get out of that snow.
Unless we
didn't
push.
like-
Spot there by the snow, or we might not be able to.
Whoa, that sucks for that guy walking in the
Oh
snow.
my God! Hell, dude.
Poor guy walking in the snow.
Can we have your sled?
I know. Let's beat him up and take it.
Go. Snowing right now. $30 for 7 gallons. In the snow.
We should have told us that. You're gonna spill that.
No, that's too dirty. It's dirty.
Got